The journey begins with carefully selected mature aloe vera leaves. In a clean facility, finally, the gel is bottled for use. Each batch is tracked for full quality control. Only premium-grade leaves move forward. Automated sorting ensures consistency. Leaves are thoroughly washed to remove impurities. Leaves are thoroughly washed to remove impurities. Controlled air drying prepares the surface. Edges are trimmed for safe processing. The gel is extracted and flows into bottles, a pure luxury product. The leaf is opened to access the inner gel. The inner gel is gently extracted. Collected under hygienic conditions. Filtration removes fibers and residues. Texture and consistency are refined. Temperature control preserves nutrients. Fresh aloe vera leaves are processed to extract the pure gel. Automated systems in are processed for skin safety. Stability ensures longer shelf life. Every batch undergoes laboratory testing. Consistency must meet strict standards. Safety is verified before approval. After purification, the base aloe gel moves into the formulation stage, where carefully measured skin-supporting nutrients are prepared. An automated dosing system introduces vitamins with exact precision, ensuring uniform enrichment. Optional botanical extracts are added under strictly controlled conditions to enhance skin nourishment. Precise temperature control protects the active properties of the aloe gel. Air exposure is minimized to maintain purity and prevent oxidation. Each enriched batch is tested for ideal texture and smooth application. Formulation data is digitally verified to ensure fragrance-free, skin-safe compliance. Before approval, the gel undergoes a second microbial safety screening. Every batch receives a unique digital code for full traceability. The enriched aloe gel now moves toward the final transformation, packaging into consumer-ready products. The enriched aloe gel now moves toward the final transformation, packaging into consumer-ready products. Production begins with precision-molded transparent bottles designed for clarity and durability. Each bottle is internally cleaned using sterile air filtration. Alignment ensures seamless transition into the filling stage. The enriched aloe gel arrives at the automated filling station. The enriched aloe gel arrives at the automated filling station. The enriched aloe gel arrives at the automated filling station. Computer-controlled nozzles dispense exact measured quantities into every bottle. Advanced sensors verify consistent fill levels. Caps are automatically sorted and prepared for sealing. Each bottle is sealed under controlled torque pressure. Random samples undergo leak detection to ensure safety. Exterior surfaces are polished before labeling. A single premium label is applied, clean, elegant, consistent. Alignment sensors ensure perfect positioning. A tamper-evident band adds consumer safety. Final human inspection confirms visual perfection. Units are organized for bulk packaging. Corrugated cartons are formed for protection. Precision filling ensures the purest gel. Aloe Vera Gel, crafted with precision. Each carton is securely sealed. Shipping information is digitally attached. Weight checks confirm correct quantity. Weight checks confirm correct quantity. Weight checks confirm correct quantity. Boxes are stacked for efficient logistics. Protective wrapping secures the shipment. Finished products await global distribution. Each pallet is digitally registered into the inventory management system. Automated systems optimize storage efficiency and tracking. Distribution schedules are coordinated in real time. Orders are prepared according to global demand. Every shipment is secured for safe transportation. Security seals ensure product integrity. Precision filling ensures purity and consistency in every bottle. From manufacturing to marketplace, Aloe Vera Gel bottles are automatically filled and capped with precision. Products move through regional distribution hubs. Advanced sorting systems route orders efficiently. Each bottle carries the same clean, elegant design. From factory precision to consumer shelves, the automated system robotic package the gel with meticulous care. The purity of aloe visible through every bottle. Precision filling and capping ensure every bottle maintains its premium quality. Trusted through quality and transparency, precision automation fills each bottle with pure, fresh gel. Robotic arms ensure opacity.
Formulated for hydration and daily care.
Lightweight, smooth, and fast absorbing. Purity preserved from plant to product. Driven by expertise, guided by quality. Modern manufacturing at its finest. Inside, automated systems fill and package the gel with precision, where innovation meets responsibility.
From a single leaf to millions of bottles.
Robotic systems ensure accurate placement. Thank you for exploring the journey with us.